So guys, meron kami ito try. Bell pepper. Trending to ngayon. Baka huli na nga kami. So, this is the bell pepper trending. Meron ako ditong tatlong bell pepper. Nalinis ko na. So, we're gonna try this with the cream cheese. Yan. Masarap daw to. So, itatry namin ni Michael. Papatry ko sa kanya. And, wala akong mahanap na Cheetos na chips. So, ito na lang gagamitin ko. Saring, pares din naman sila cheese. Come on, love. Let's try this. Okay, now what we're gonna do is you're gonna put the cream cheese. I have here the half for my cakes. Yeah, I have here cream cheese. Now, this is what we're gonna do.
They're not cooked?
No, they're not cooked. It can eat the bell pepper fresh. That's the trending. You're gonna eat it like that. Okay, let's try this. You're gonna put the cream cheese inside. It's like that. Okay. You're gonna fill it with cream cheese. They say this is so yummy. And now, see that? It's like that. And now, you're gonna put these chips here on the top. Yeah, Michael like this cheese ring. Okay, ready? Oh. Now, try. Have a big bite. Good? Yummy? Yeah?
Not bad.
Oh, see, I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna make mine. You can have a bite one more. Good?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm wondering what if you soften the cheese a little bit, break up the chips, mix those two together, and then just put the mixture in there.
Exactly. Okay. Bite. Good.
Because otherwise, you only get the chip mixture in your first bites, and you got to keep adding chips.
And
I tell you what, this sounds stupid.
Mhm.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I was thinking, this sounds stupid. It's not bad. But of course, almost anything is good with cream cheese.
yeah, plus the bell pepper, it's veggie, you know. Good. It's my time. I have here one big bell pepper. Actually, the cream cheese is good. Like cream cheese alone, ang masarap na siya. So, sumasama eh. Tsaka mahal daw ng benta nito. Kasi, ang mahal kasi ng cream cheese. Kaya mahal talaga siya. 200 plus yung cream cheese na to. Tsaka masarap kapag malamig. See. Yeah, I'm ready. Good. Plus, I like the idea of the bell pepper, you know. The bell pepper itself, it's crunchy already. Sino man nakaisip nito, ang galing. Perfect. Kita ko sa TikTok. Ang daming gumagawa nito. Sabi ko, try ko nga. Sabi masarap daw eh. Sarap nga. Try nyo guys, masarap. Kaya lang hindi siya biro, mahal. Mahal to eh, yung cream cheese na to, 200 plus. Buti, meron pa akong cream cheese tira nung gumawa akong cake. Kalahati. Sarap. Still what? Still have one here, no? You can eat half. Yum.